Hi friends, welcome back! Are you ready to make a colored fountain? Let's do it! We are going to add 1 spoon of baking soda to our water. In the water, we've already added food coloring and 1 spoon of detergent. Let's stir. Here we go, boys and girls. We're going to add 1 spoon of citric acid. Are you ready? Here we go. Boys and girls, I can see from the bubbles that the baking soda and the citric acid are having a reaction. Do you notice that our container is beginning to overflow with bubbles? I see it too! What a fun experiment, my friends! I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!